Are you planning a Disney World family vacation? There's so much to see and do at Disney World's Magic Kingdom. You want to maximize your vacation, but it's impossible to do it all. In this video, I'll give you tips and advice on how to make the most of your visit to Disney World's Magic Kingdom. This is part 2 of my 4-part series where I'll give you park-by-park tips on how to get the most out of your Disney World vacation. 11 tips for families visiting Magic Kingdom. Number 1. It's worth it to stay at a Disney World resort. If you'll be spending most of your Disney vacation at Magic Kingdom, then it is worth it to stay at a Disney World resort. Magic Kingdom is an island. If you're driving to Magic Kingdom, you'll have to park in the Magic Kingdom parking lot. Take a tram to the Transportation and Ticket Center, and then take the ferry or monorail to get to Magic Kingdom. The entire process can take 45 minutes to an hour. The worst part of this is you have to do it twice. Getting in and out of Magic Kingdom by car can be a major time waster. It is exhausting and an ordeal in itself. While if you're staying at Disney World Resort, you can take Disney transportations directly from your hotel to Magic Kingdom. You skip the step of having to go to the Transportation and Ticket Center. It's an easier commute to Magic Kingdom if you're coming from Disney World Resort. Preferably, stay at the Disney World resorts that are on the monorail line, such as the Contemporary, Bay Lake Tower, Polynesian Village, and the Grand Floridian. These resorts are just a monorail ride away or within walking distance. However, know that these Disney World resorts are pricey, so if they're not within your budget, stay at the other Disney World resorts. You will still save a lot of time and aggravation since your Disney bus transportation will pick you up from your hotel and drop you off right at Magic Kingdom. Number 2. It's worth it to buy Disney Genie Plus at Magic Kingdom. If you're on the fence about whether or not to buy Disney Genie Plus for Magic Kingdom, buy it. It's worth it to pay the $15 per person per day for Disney Genie Plus. Magic Kingdom has some of the most popular rides at Disney World. Standby lines for popular rides can be long. Time is money at Disney. Your $15 will be worth it if you can save a few hours with Lightning Lane at Magic Kingdom. And if you're still on the fence about buying Disney Genie Plus, check out my in-depth analysis of Disney Genie Plus. Is it worth it to buy Disney Genie Plus at Disney World? Number 3. Wake up early to start booking Lightning Lane reservations at 7 a.m. for Magic Kingdom. Lightning Lane reservations for popular rides at Magic Kingdom do sell out. Jungle Cruise and Peter Pan's Flight typically sell out. You need to set your alarm and book Lightning Lane for these rides at 7 a.m. I suggest you book Jungle Cruise and Peter Pan's Flight at 7 a.m. After that, wait 2 hours after the park opens to book your second Lightning Lane reservation. The Magic Kingdom roller coaster rides like Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, or Splash Mountain should be your second Lightning Lane rides. Check out my Magic Kingdom Lightning Lane tips and strategies. Number 4. For lots of seating, head over to Columbia Harbor House, Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe, or Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn and Cafe. Lunchtime can be a zoo at the quick service restaurants at Magic Kingdom. It's often hard to find seating, and the line can be long just to place your order. For quick service restaurants with lots of seating, head over to Columbia Harbor House, Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe, or Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn and Cafe. Avoid the Friar's Nook. It lacks seating. There are only a few tables outdoors. Columbia Harbor House is a large quick service restaurant near Liberty Square. There's even an upstairs seating area. Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe is a large quick service restaurant in Tomorrowland, right across from Speedway. There are plenty of indoor and outdoor seating at Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe. Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn and Cafe is a large quick service restaurant in Frontierland, near Splash Mountain. Number 5. Use mobile order at Magic Kingdom. The food ordering line at quick service restaurants at Magic Kingdom can be really long. To save time, instead of lining up, I suggest placing a mobile order on the Disney app. When the order is ready, you just go straight to the pickup window. It's a major time saver at Magic Kingdom. Tip: place your mobile order early. I usually place my mobile order before getting on a ride. They won't prepare the food until you tell them you're nearby and ready to pick it up. Number 6. It's worth it to buy Disney Magic Bands. It's worth it to buy Disney Magic Bands for everyone in your family. I know what a major hassle it is to have to pull out your Disney tickets or Disney app every time you check in for a Lightning Lane ride or when you enter the park. Trust me, you'll be doing it a lot. Make your life easier at Magic Kingdom by getting everyone a Magic Band, so there's no more rummaging around trying to find those Disney tickets. Number 7. Take an air-conditioned break at Disney's PhilharMagic, Tiki Room, and the Carousel Progress. Spending the day at Magic Kingdom is physically demanding. You'll be doing a lot of walking, 20,000 steps in a day. Trust me, I counted. and most likely you'll be walking in the heat. There comes a time in the middle of the day when you'll eventually need a break to cool off and to rest your feet. The best places for breaks at Magic Kingdom are Disney's PhilharMagic, the Tiki Room, and the Carousel of Progress. These attractions usually don't have a long line, and they're all air-conditioned. Check your Disney app tip board before heading over. My husband usually takes a little nap in these air-conditioned attractions. Number 8. It's worth it to buy Disney's Photopass Memory Maker package. It's worth it to buy Disney's Photopass package if you're visiting Magic Kingdom. Disney Photopass gives you unlimited photo downloads. The more photos you take, the more photos you can download. From personal experience, I think there are proportionally more Disney photographers at Magic Kingdom than at the other theme parks. Also, there are more Magic Kingdom rides with in-ride photos. You know that Space Mountain photo, priceless. Disney's Photopass is worth it at Magic Kingdom because there are a lot of photographers and in-ride photos at Magic Kingdom. Number 9. Popular rides for late afternoon and early evening. The wait times for some of the popular rides at Magic Kingdom shorten in the late afternoon and early evening. These rides are Pirates of the Caribbean, Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid, It's a Small World, and Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Late afternoon to early evening is a great time to go back to re-ride these rides if you've already rode them earlier in the day. Please check the Disney app tip board to make sure the wait times are short before heading over. Number 10. Don't do character dinner on your Magic Kingdom day. I know, this can be controversial. I agree that it is magical to do character dinner at Cinderella's royal table, since you'll be dining in the castle. However, to be honest, spending the day at Magic Kingdom with kids is a really exhausting day. In my opinion, adding a character dining experience to the day can become a little too much for everyone. I think if you want to do character dinner, do it during one of your non-theme park days. Book it at one of the Disney resorts so you don't need to buy theme park tickets. This way, you'll be more relaxed, you can get dressed up, and truly enjoy your character dinner. Also, if you want to save money, do a character breakfast instead. It's less expensive than dinner. Number 11. Preferred parking at Magic Kingdom is worth it. If you're driving into Magic Kingdom, preferred parking is worth it. By parking at the preferred parking spots, it's close enough that you can walk to the Transportation and Ticket Center. Since you're skipping the tram, you'll save a lot of time because you don't need to wait for the tram to take you to the Transportation and Ticket Center. Please like and subscribe for more Disney World tips. Check out the other videos in this series as I give Disney World park by park tips and advice. Thanks for watching!